Welcome to our in-depth guide on the top 5 best camping stoves of 2025. From powerful burners to compact designs, we'll explore features that elevate your outdoor cooking experience. Watch till the end to find the best stove and check the product links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Number 5. The Primus Kinjia is a compact yet powerful camping stove designed for true adventurers. With an impressive 3,000 watts of cooking power, it brings fast boiling and consistent heat control, perfect for frying, simmering, or grilling outdoors. Its performance ensures that every meal feels like home, even in the wild. Weighing just 4,000 grams, the Kinjia strikes the ideal balance between sturdiness and portability. Measuring 47.5 by 29.5 by 7.8 centimeters, it packs slim while remaining rugged enough for demanding conditions. Fuel compatibility is another highlight, as the included adapter lets it run on standard valve gas cartridges, giving campers flexibility and convenience during their trips. Built with a sleek steel body, foldable design, and easy-to-clean surfaces, the Kinjia combines style with practicality. For campers seeking reliable power, smart portability, and premium durability, the Primus Kinjia stands out as a top choice for outdoor cooking. Number 4. The Camp Chef Mountaineer 2X is a compact but powerful cooking system perfect for outdoor adventures. Whether you're overlanding, rafting, or setting up camp in windy conditions, this stove is built to perform. With two 20,000 BTUs per hour burners, it offers a combined 40,000 BTUs of cooking power. That's enough to boil water quickly, sear steaks beautifully, or prepare large family meals with confidence. It delivers the kind of performance outdoor cooks demand. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, the Mountaineer 2X is both durable and rust-resistant. Even in humid climates, you can count on it to last. Its design makes it easy to carry without sacrificing toughness. A standout feature is the 3-sided windscreen, which shields your flame and keeps heat steady, even in gusty conditions. The lid also doubles as added protection when opened. With a suitcase-style latching lid, this stove is compact, secure, and travel-ready. For reliable outdoor cooking, the Mountaineer 2X is hard to beat. Number 3. The Coleman Cascade Classic is a portable 2-burner stove built for outdoor adventures. Compact, powerful, and user-friendly, it's designed to make camp cooking simple and stress-free. Let's explore why this stove deserves a place in your camping gear. With a recessed carry handle and secure latch, transporting the Cascade Classic is effortless. The built-in regulator storage keeps things organized, making it travel-ready for road trips, campsites, or hiking spots. Coleman ensures quick cleaning with a removable chrome-plated pan support and aluminized steel cooktop. Grease and residue wipe away easily, saving time and effort outdoors. 2 adjustable burners with improved knob rotation provide precise simmer-to-boil control. A rotary ignition offers quick, matchless lighting for stress-free cooking. With 22,000 BTUs, it handles a 12-inch and 10-inch pan simultaneously. Running up to an hour on one propane cylinder, it's both powerful and efficient. The Cascade Classic blends portability, power, and convenience, making outdoor meals reliable and enjoyable. Number 2. The Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system is a portable dual-burner stove designed to bring home-style cooking outdoors. Whether camping with family or adventuring with friends, this compact system delivers power, versatility, and convenience. Let's explore why it stands out for serious outdoor chefs. Equipped with 2 burners, the Genesis works as a standalone stove or links with JetLink-compatible stoves. This flexibility allows cooking for both small and large groups, making multitasking meals easy and efficient. Gone are the days of bland camp meals. With excellent flame control, you can sauté, simmer, or boil quickly. From snacks to gourmet dishes, it adapts to every cooking style. Each burner delivers 10,000 BTUs, boiling a liter of water in just over 3 minutes. even in cold weather down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Reliability is built in. Despite its power, the system folds neatly inside the included cookpot and carry bag, saving valuable gear space. With cookware included, the Jetboil Genesis Basecamp system is a true all-in-one camp kitchen, portable, powerful, and perfect for group adventures. Number 1. The Camp Chef Everest 2X is a powerhouse portable stove built for camping, tailgating, or backyard cooking. With dual burners producing a combined 40,000 BTUs, it delivers serious heat for large pots, rapid boiling, or frying meals outdoors. The three-sided windscreen ensures steady flames, even in tricky weather, giving you confidence to cook anywhere. Portability is a standout feature. The folding lid doubles as a windscreen, while locking securely for travel, making the stove pack down like a suitcase. It's compact, easy to carry, and hassle-free to set up, perfect for campers on the go. Matchless ignition means instant startup with just a twist, a lifesaver during windy mornings or late-night cooking. Plus, the spacious 21.5 by 10-inch grate accommodates multiple pans with ease. Compatible with 1-pound propane cylinders and an adapter, it offers flexible fueling. Overall, the Everest 2X blends power, portability, and smart design, making outdoor cooking effortless, fun, and reliable for every adventure.